Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Knowify scheduling. So, the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to type out Knowify. That's right, and then we have this first website, so you just have to tap on this one. Okay, and then this page will open. Now, as you can see at the top, we cannot see an option where we can sign up for an account. We only have to log in and the request a demo option. So here, all we have to do is to tap on the request a demo. Okay, and then after that, you just have to contact them. So they have their, contact number right here, as well as their email. And as you can see, Notify is not currently available in my area. So yeah, I cannot really show you what the inside of the tool looks like, but still, I am going to discuss to you the product. Okay, so as you can see under the product, we have the project execution, the service work, the finances, and the integration. So we are going to focus here under the project execution. Okay, and then we are going to discuss the scheduling and dispatch as well. So now let us proceed to the scheduling section. Okay, so here, as you can see, for the project, so the project level scheduling, you can manage the project timeliness easily with the Gantt chart. Okay, so dependencies and a clear project calendar, assign your employees, equipment, and subs to scheduled project phases, and track their progress with real-time updates. For the employees, so resource management made easy. So group employees and equipment by rule or department and see everyone's availability at a glance to avoid overbooking and scheduling conflicts. Okay, so you have that right here. So we have job boards, resource board, resource day, and last checked in. Now for the company calendar, so you can track all the active project phases, scheduled tasks, and bid due dates in a comprehensive master schedule view that's perfect for a big screen in the office. Now they also have the mobile app, so see the schedules on the go. Employees using the Knowify mobile app can easily see what jobs and scheduled tasks they're assigned to that day, along with any relevant project information. Okay, now let's proceed to the scheduling and dispatch. Okay, so right here, as you can see, they have the calendar and the map, so you can visualize your schedule, calendars, maps, and more. So manage the assignments visually with the interactive calendars, service maps, and resource boards. For the service template, so you can build service templates for the work your team does most often, so you can create new jobs on the fly in no time. And for the field to office comms, so automated tech notifications, so end the communication chaos and confirmation calls. Techs receive jobs and updates instantly through the Notify mobile app. And for the service job hub, you can track every service job from start to finish in one organized place, filter and view by status, tagged date, or customers. So this is how it looks like. Now, if you want more information regarding this tool, then you just have to visit their website. And then if your current location is eligible to request a demo, then you can have the demo. They will send that to you as long as you're going to provide your info. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.